Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's news and analysis regarding none other than Stellar Lumens. So as of July 20th, we're seeing the price of Stellar once again outperforming the entire market, especially Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can't make up its mind. Is it going to stay above 30K? Is it not? It's really on a weird place right now, which obviously we were expecting. But if we're looking at the price of Stellar as of today, 16.5 cents, it's up 6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 7% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $4.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume kind of sitting at 900 million. So what exactly is next? What are some news that's going around? We're going to get into that, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So obviously, if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, you can see XLM is up about 6% over the past day, which is quite interesting to see. But the most important news was Fed now. We were seeing a lot of anticipation for this to come out. A lot of people were saying, are we about to see XRP being used, Stellar being used? We did see a fake news come out today, this morning, that the Fed now will use XLM for cross-border transactions, and this right here is not true. And obviously this was published and a lot of people got excited about it, but this is just fake. I just want for you guys to know that. But as of now, we don't really have a confirmation. Who knows if they are using it or not, because we did see Stellar hold really strong even after this announcement. So if you guys can see, the Federal Reserve launched its Fed Now, instant payment services Thursday, following several years of developing, and system officials say will allow the faster flow of cash for businesses and individuals. Whether it's providing instant access to paychecks, allowing for last-minute bill payments, or sending government payments out to individuals, the system is expected to improve, the flow of money through the U.S. economy. The Federal Reserve built the Fed Now service to help make everyday payment over the coming years faster and more convenient, Jeremy Powell said. Over time, as more banks choose to use this new tool, the benefits of individuals and businesses will include enabling a person to immediately receive a paycheck or a company to instantly access funds when an invoice is paid. But the craziest thing is that a lot of people don't understand this is just within the US economy. But what XRP and Stellar are doing is global. It's global, and that's why we're seeing so many banks around the globe, companies that are using them, using them to improve, receiving the payments and stuff. So, the overall ecosystem of Stellar is increasing as days go by, and the interest is really shifting this time around, and we're seeing Stellar outperforming XRP, which is massive to see, because if we look at it on the weekly time frame, you can see this for yourself. Let's bring out the monthly. You can see XLM up 108%, while XRP is up 65.5%. So you guys can really understand as to what really is going on right now as far as Stellar is concerned. But we're going to take a look at what is next for the price, because everyone wants to know what is next for the price. So let's get right into it. But as always, guys, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, when I'm analyzing the charts of Stellar, guys, I cannot be more happy, because the way this price is holding right now at this range really shows the significance of this move that we're seeing. We have seen the price of Stellar from the June 18th retracement. It has pumped up another 45% right now. Once again, we're seeing that resistance play out for us, but hopefully as we close out this day, if we're able to close the day above this level of resistance, guys, I am anticipating that we will see Stellar once again retest into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since April of last year. So all eyes are on Stellar right now. The hype factor is definitely there. So it's quite interesting to see what is going to happen. But like I've said to you guys, if we're able to get into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, might see a little bit of a retracement, but the main target is that 24 cents mark. And I could see this happening in the upcoming days, because one thing that we are not focusing on is, Stellar is making some massive strides as far as the project itself. Let's forget about the Fed now and all that stuff. But, despite that fact, that we haven't really seen a confirmation, because like I said, a fake tweet came out today. This really got a lot of people excited, but it's not confirmed. There's no accurate source that is kind of confirming this, that can be a good source for us to really be like, hey, what, this is the case. But we will see as time goes by. But the way it's holding right now really shows me that the interest is building up, especially when Bitcoin is seeing quite a lot of volatility within its price. And not only that, Bitcoin is sitting at some very important level. You can see this for yourself. If we lose the support line, we could see BTC drop to 28,600. So obviously the uncertainty level on Bitcoin is there right now, but the huge thing is that dominance is still going down, which is really exciting to see for altcoin holders. And obviously, if we're looking at it on the monthly side, we're seeing altcoins flying like crazy. But as far as XLM is concerned, if someone's going to come out and comment on this video that, oh, XLM is not moving and it's boring, man, let's just take a look at it from literally June 16th prices. If you are picking it up around that range, you're already up 113%. So, let's not forget about that. But also, guys, right now, as I say that, we do have this massive level of resistance, like I've said, that's coming on our side. If we're able to close above here, great. If we do not and Bitcoin drops below this range, there is a chance we could be retesting once again, these ranges that we have seen around that 13 cents mark. Obviously, as of now, if I'm looking at the overall bigger picture, the momentum that's building up, that seems unlikely, but we can't ignore Bitcoin right now. Sure, Bitcoin is not seeing those massive drops right now. The volatility, we haven't really seen that 28,000 retest literally since we broke out of it. But basically, that's some things that you need to keep in mind right now. So if you are up about 120%, taking some profits would not hurt. That's something I want you guys to be aware of right now, and really, understand that locking profits is not a bad thing. Some people don't like doing that, but lock those profits in. But like I said, if it's able to get into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I am expecting a move towards that 24 cents mark, which will be really, really big for Stellar. In order for us to reach that, that's another move of about 48% from the current level. So that is that next basically main target that I'm looking at right now for Stellar Lumens. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts right now? And what do you think is happening with Stellar? Why do you think XLM has such a good momentum against majority of the altcoins, especially its big brother, which is XRP? I want to know down below in the comment section from you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys have been killing it. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing Stellar Lumen updates every other day for you guys. So that is that for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.